Experiencing Wi-Fi connectivity problems with your Tesla Powerwall 3? You're not alone. Many users face initial setup or intermittent disconnection issues. This video provides a step-by-step guide to resolving these problems. Common causes include network settings misconfigurations, gateway connection problems, password or authentication issues, and firmware-related bugs from recent updates. Follow these steps. First, reset the Powerwall by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Second, verify your router settings by disabling MAC filtering and ensuring no VPN interference. Third, check and re-enter your Wi-Fi password in the Tesla app. Fourth, update to the latest firmware version. Remember, the Powerwall must connect to the same network as your energy gateway for proper communication and remote monitoring. Most Wi-Fi issues can be resolved with these steps, and firmware updates continue to improve stability. If problems persist, contact Tesla support for professional assistance. The Powerwall 3 requires a stable Wi-Fi connection to enable remote monitoring of your energy usage, automatic firmware updates, and seamless integration with the Tesla app. Without this connection, you won't be able to access real-time data or receive important system updates. The device supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency bands. The 2.4 GHz band offers better range for larger homes but slower speeds, while 5 GHz provides faster data transfer over shorter distances. You can choose the band that best fits your home network setup. For security, the Powerwall 3 requires WPA2 or WPA3 encryption protocols. These modern standards protect your connection from unauthorized access and ensure secure communication with Tesla's servers. Avoid older protocols like WEP, which are no longer secure. The Powerwall must connect to the same Wi-Fi network as your home's gateway device, which is typically your router or modem. This ensures the system can communicate with the Tesla Energy Gateway and other connected devices in your smart home ecosystem. Additionally, the Powerwall needs a stable IP address on your network. While dynamic IP addresses work for most setups, some installations may require a static IP to prevent connection drops and ensure reliable communication with Tesla's cloud services. Before proceeding with the Powerwall 3 setup, it's crucial to confirm that your home network meets these requirements. Check your router settings, verify the encryption type, and ensure your Wi-Fi signal is strong in the installation area. First, try a simple reset. Locate the reset button on your Powerwall 3 and hold it down for 10 seconds. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches. Next, verify your router settings. Disable MAC address filtering and ensure there are no VPNs interfering with the connection. Check your Wi-Fi password for accuracy, paying close attention to special characters. The Tesla Energy Gateway serves as the central hub for all communication between your Powerwall and Tesla's cloud servers. This device creates its own Wi-Fi network that the Powerwall connects to, allowing seamless data exchange for battery management and remote control. The gateway relays essential information, including battery status, energy flow data, and firmware updates. Without this connection, you'll lose the ability to monitor and control your Powerwall through the Tesla app. If the Powerwall cannot connect to the gateway's Wi-Fi network, you'll experience several problems, including disrupted battery management, loss of remote app control, and inability to track your home's energy usage in real time. To ensure proper operation, verify that the Energy Gateway is connected to your home Wi-Fi network and that the Powerwall is attempting to join the gateway's dedicated network. Check the gateway's interface for connection status and ensure it has a stable IP address. If connectivity issues persist despite proper network setup, reset the Energy Gateway by locating its reset button, pressing and holding it for 10 seconds, then waiting for the device to reboot and reconnect to your network. The Energy Gateway is essential for maintaining reliable communication between your Powerwall and Tesla's ecosystem, ensuring you can always monitor and control your home energy system effectively. Incorrect or expired Wi-Fi passwords are a frequent cause of connection failures with the Tesla Powerwall 3. Double-check your password entry in the Tesla app, ensuring there are no typos or extra spaces. If you've recently changed your Wi-Fi password, update it in the Tesla app as well. Consider using a password manager to store and accurately input your Wi-Fi credentials. Interference from other smart home devices can disrupt the Powerwall's Wi-Fi connection, especially on the 5 GHz band. This band offers faster speeds, but is more susceptible to interference from nearby devices. Let's examine the differences between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands to understand why interference occurs. Try switching the Powerwall to the 2.4 GHz band, which is less prone to interference but offers lower speeds. This can resolve connectivity issues in crowded wireless environments. Alternatively, create a separate guest network for your Powerwall to isolate it from other devices. This prevents interference and improves stability. Some users have found success using Ethernet bridging as a backup connection method. This provides a wired alternative when Wi-Fi proves unreliable. Assigning a static IP address to your Powerwall can improve connection stability. Consult your router's manual for instructions on how to set a static IP. Also, ensure your Powerwall's firmware is up to date. Tesla regularly releases updates to address connectivity issues. Check the Tesla app for available updates and install them promptly. Tesla plans to incorporate AI-driven diagnostics in 2026 firmware, potentially auto-detecting and fixing network problems. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and your Powerwall 3 still won't connect to Wi-Fi, it's time to contact Tesla support. They can help diagnose complex issues remotely or send a technician if needed. Most Wi-Fi connectivity problems can be resolved through careful troubleshooting, but if issues persist, expert assistance is necessary. Support visits have increased by 25% in the fourth quarter of 2025, so scheduling may take time. Remember that while most problems are fixable with proper steps, some complex issues like hardware faults or severe interference require professional help. Regularly check Tesla's support forums and user communities like Reddit for the latest solutions, workarounds, and firmware updates from other users. Key takeaway: document your network setup, troubleshooting steps, and error messages before contacting support. This helps technicians resolve your issue faster and more efficiently.